Hyundai has issued a stop sale for certain 2026 Palisade SUV models in the US and Canada due to an issue with the second and third row power seats. The automaker is halting sales of the vehicles while it works on a recall after a young child died in an incident involving a Palisade. Hyundai said that it, quote, does not have the full details and the incident is still under investigation, but that it extends its deepest sympathies to her family. Hyundai said in some situations the rear seats may not adequately detect contact with an occupant or object, particularly during power folding operations, as well as during the use of the second row one-touch tilt and slide function. The imminent recall will impact approximately 68,500 model year 2026 Hyundai Palisade Limited or Calligraphy trim vehicles. The company said the recall repair is currently under development. Once it's done, it will be offered for free to vehicle owners. The automaker is also offering customers a rental vehicle until a full remedy is available. Hyundai is also developing a software update that it said is not a permanent repair, but it could help enhance the system's response and introduce additional operating safeguards. While Hyundai pursues a remedy, it's urging owners to use caution when operating the second and third row power seat functions and to ensure that no person or object, including children, is in the seat or seat folding area before operating the power seat. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.